Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In this one, as you can see and as you have read on the title, we are unboxing and taking a quick look at the G-Shock DW-5035D-1B. This is G-Shock's 35th anniversary square watch, the one with the gold details. Before we get into it though, let's take a look at what I am wearing today. I am wearing my beautiful Alpiner chronograph, which I unboxed in the previous video. This is a beautiful mechanical chronograph, which I have really been enjoying over the past couple of days. So we have got our usual G-Shock style box, except it's a different design overall. Opening this one up, we will be greeted by our user's guide, a disposal guide, the hanging tag, the warranty, and a paper for some online giveaway. So now we just take this one up, and here we have our signature G-Shock aluminum box. It's got a pretty nice design here with the 3 stars here signifying 30 and the 5 below signifying 35. Alright, let's crack this one open. Here we go, here's the watch. Okay, nice. Okay then, here's the watch. Design-wise, it looks exactly the same as another square G-Shock, except it has some gold details like the text here, the buttons and screws, the clasp, and the locking for strap. And of course also we have a stainless steel backing with the gold details. Looks very nice. So now let's run down the specifications of this watch. Its price is $200. It's made out of resin and has some stainless steel details. It's got mineral glass here up front. It's of course shock resistant. It's got a great water resistance rating of 200 meters. It's got the electroluminescent backlight here, which has been extremely strong over the past couple of times that I've used it. Function-wise, we have our day up here. We have our date there and month. And of course we have the time here. And then switching to the different modes, we do that here. We get to the alarm. We get to a timer, which you can set, of course. And we get to the stopwatch. And those are the main functions of the watch. It's got a full auto calendar, which is able to set the date properly up until the year 2039. Its accuracy is within plus or minus 15 seconds per month, and the approximate battery life is 2 years on the CR2016 battery. Well, I bought this specific watch specifically because of its cool gold details, but also because of its conservative size. Now, G-Shocks overall are big watches, and if you watched my last G-Shock video, you know that I bought a G-Shock, the King G-Shock, which was super big, just way too big on my wrist. So I sold that watch and I got this one, which is a lot smaller and fits my wrist much better and looks much better on my wrist. It's special in one way and it's quite conservative in its size. So that's what drew me into this watch. So let me know if you have any questions about this watch. If you want to purchase one yourself, I will try to leave a link in the video description. Also, please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it. And so with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.